Hey everyone, I'm Stefan and welcome to Cooking with the Kems. We're in my backyard today and I'm super excited to share my take on barbecue chicken with a spicy lemongrass barbecue sauce. So let's get grilling. Let's get started on our spice rub. Right now we have a little bit of paprika, chili powder, a little bit of oregano, onion powder, some granulated garlic, and some fresh pepper. Now we're gonna whisk this all together. The onion powder might clump up on you a little bit, so it's okay just to break it with your fingers. And next we're going to marinate our chicken. So let's pat down our chicken and get ready to marinate it. We're gonna sprinkle high with our kosher salt, and then we're gonna apply the spice rub. It's okay to add a lot of spice rub on here since we just sprinkled the salt separately. And we're gonna add a little bit of neutral oil. I like to use vegetable oil, and we're gonna massage it into the chicken. So I like to marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes, but it can definitely go overnight. So we've got our charcoal grill ready. We're gonna use the indirect cooking method. I have my coals on the right side, so I'm gonna be placing the chicken on the left. We're gonna be leaving the chicken on the grill for about 1 hour or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's work on our pickled cabbage and vegetables. We're gonna cut our cabbage into these nice 1-inch pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. And next, we're gonna cut our cucumbers at a bias. Then we're gonna add our bell peppers. First, we're gonna core our bell pepper, and then we're gonna cut them into 1-inch pieces. And now for the jalapeno, we're gonna cut at a bias, leaving the seeds inside. And lastly, we're gonna add our carrots in. First, we're gonna peel, and then we're gonna cut at a bias. We're gonna work on the brine for our veggies. First, we're gonna add our apple cider vinegar into a medium sauce pot, and then we're gonna add some white sugar, a little bit of peppercorns, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna have it on a medium heat, fully dissolving the sugar, before turning off the heat and adding our garlic cloves in. Then we're gonna go straight on our vegetables. We're gonna stir. So we're gonna add some ice cubes in to help keep the vegetables crisp. So let's make our spicy lemongrass barbecue sauce. We're gonna start with this nice piece of ginger. We're gonna cut off about 2 inches. We don't need to peel it or anything like that, and we're gonna slice right through. Now we're gonna go for our lemongrass, cutting at a bias. We're gonna go with about 2 lemongrass. And now we're gonna add our fresh garlic. So in a medium sauce pot, a little bit of low sodium soy sauce, some honey, our Thai chilies, and then your favorite barbecue sauce. Let's top it off with the zest of 2 limes and the juice. And then we're gonna stir it on medium heat. So we're gonna let all the ingredients infuse into the barbecue sauce. So our chicken is just about ready, but we're gonna take it to the next level by adding our lemongrass barbecue sauce. We're gonna brush it right on the chicken, get it all in there. Make sure you're generous with the barbecue sauce while you're brushing it on the chicken. Now it's time to plate our chicken. I like to go in with a little bit of jasmine rice. Then we're gonna place our chicken on the top of it, and then around with our pickled cabbage and vegetables. Top it off with the garnish of your choice, and look at that final dish. Golden brown and delicious. Spicy lemongrass barbecue chicken, served with steamed jasmine rice and some pickled cabbage and vegetables. The balance of the spices and the sweetness from the honey work so well together. This is something that I love making for my family and friends. And I can't wait for you to try it as well. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking with the Kems. I'm Stefan, and we'll see you next time.